Hi there, welcome to our channel. So I guess you are waiting for the OnePlus's first fitness band to launch. The company has formally teased the OnePlus Band fitness tracker, and also the Amazon website teased the OnePlus Band in a black color finish with at least two different silicone strap, that is in black and orange finish, and it looks like it will be heading to India first. Before we get into design and specs, let me tell you that it's just a rebranded Oppo Band. If we take a look at the promo material, it's apparent that it looks pretty similar to Oppo Band. Not just that, the specs are similar too, which I'm gonna tell you in a moment. For the unaware, Oppo and OnePlus are both sub-brands of Chinese tech powerhouse BBK, so it's safe to say they share the technology and rebranding exercise. If we check the leaked specs, it suggests a 1.1-inch AMOLED panel, heart rate with SpO2, 13 different exercise modes, IP68 water resistant, and 14 days battery life. All these specs match the Oppo Band except for one additional exercise mode. So if you really want to know how the OnePlus Band performs, check out the review of Oppo Band. If we compare the so-called OnePlus Band with Mi Band 5, the main difference is the presence of SpO2. Yes, OnePlus Band offers SpO2 while the Mi Band doesn't. Other than that, the Mi Band 5 is perfect. It's more responsive, all because of the curved shape of the device, and the charging is also convenient as there is no need to remove the watch from the strap. All the other bells and whistles are present in both bands, like counting of steps, calories burnt, sleep monitoring, 5 ATM water resistant, and support notifications from apps, calls, messages, and social media platforms. Other features include music control, weather, alarm, and find my phone. Now the only other point which determines which band you should select is the price. Currently, the leaks suggest the OnePlus Band will retail for 2500 rupees, which is also the price of Mi Band 5. So unless there is a major difference in price, there isn't a whole lot of stuff to compare. With that being said, if you like what you saw and want more, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.